Well, we're heading down Monteagle. Yeah, nice. So, not too bad. They got it bumped down to 25 miles an hour at 80,000. But wait for our red light here. They do that so they can stagger the trucks, so you ain't got a bunch of trucks running all clumped up together. So it's not too bad. It's 6%, but enough to get you in trouble if you don't watch what you're doing. So we're off and rolling. We'll get rolling here a little bit and let the Jake brake do her job, and we'll try to keep her upright until we hit the bottom. So it's 45 for trucks, but I never hit that. I like to not use the brakes at all going down the hill. Have it set up just where the Jake holds the truck back. That way, if I ever have to make a stop going down the hill, my brakes ain't hot because I haven't used them. So we're kind of light today. We only got 30,000 pounds of ice cream chocolate on. Heading down to Clearwater, Florida. So I'm sure they're going to take it down there and make some Klondike bars. That's usually what they do with it. So we're off and rolling. Running about 35 miles an hour. Jake brake holding us back. Not having to use the brakes at all. Beautiful country up here. Love it. I wouldn't want to live anywhere else but Tennessee. I think they got 3 runaway truck ramps on this side of Monteagle, the east side of Monteagle. Hopefully I never have to use one to find out. I've been lucky so far. There's the first truck ramp there. What they do is they put down pea gravel so that when the truck hits it, it just sinks into the pea gravel. So that's the way that works. Incline, of course, helps slow that truck down. Like I said, it's not a really bad one. It's just 6%, kind of short, only about 3.5-4 miles. So ain't like sandstone over in Virginia, West Virginia. So got the second runaway truck ramp. Usually the last truck ramp's the one that gets all the business, because usually it's at the end of the hill, and that's when everybody starts saying, "Oh, having problems with the brakes." So I've been going about 2 miles down the hill, and I ain't touched the brakes not one time. So that's the way I like to do it. End up coming down the hill a lot slower than the most other trucks, but if we got middle ways down the hill and traffic had to come to a stop, they would probably have problems coming to that stop, and I think I could safely come to a stop. So it's just what I do. So as I said, it's beautiful country out there. see. Gorgeous country. Love it, love it, love it. And I think it's I think the hill's right at about 3.5 miles, 4 miles, something like that. Like I said, not too bad. But it causes some havocs with trucks every once in a while. I've seen a bunch of them going down there with their brakes smoking. We're coming to the bottom of the hill, and that is your lesson for the day: how to safely descend the hill. And as they used to say back in the day, that's truck driving. Everybody have a good one.